In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and price a course on your website. To get started, head over to the Pages section of your site dashboard. Once you're there, click the plus icon to add a new page and then choose the course option. This creates the basic course structure for you and gives you a dedicated space to build out your lessons in a clean, organized way. If you're planning to sell educational content, this is the foundation everything else will sit on, so it's important to start here. After the course page has been created, the next step is to customize your course modules and video lessons. This is where you shape the learning experience for your audience. You can organize your content into modules, which work well as larger topic sections, and then place your individual video lessons inside each one. As you build this out, try to keep the flow logical and easy to follow so students can move through the material without confusion. Clear titles and a consistent structure can make a big difference in how professional and user-friendly your course feels. Once your course content is laid out, go to the course settings panel and click on pricing plans. This is where you define how people will gain access to your course. Pricing is an important part of the setup because it connects your content to the way you want to deliver and sell it. Make sure you review this area carefully so the access model matches your business goals. From there, set up either a fixed one-time fee or a subscription-based price through digital products or member sites, depending on how you want to offer the course. A fixed fee is usually the best choice if you want students to pay once and keep access permanently. A subscription model is more useful if your course is part of ongoing content, a membership, or a larger learning library that continues to grow over time. Choosing the right option depends on the kind of experience you want to offer and how you plan to monetize your content. Before you finish, take a moment to review your course layout, lesson organization, and pricing setup to make sure everything is working together smoothly. A well-structured course combined with the right pricing model creates a better experience for your students and helps present your content more professionally. That's it for the setup. Once these pieces are in place, your course is ready to be offered to your audience.